Fracture confirmed for Marquez after Indonesian GP crash. MotoGP world champion Marc Marquez has picked up a fracture in his accident at the MotoGP Indonesian Grand Prix. The factory Ducati rider was taken out by sprint race winner Marco Bezzecchi at high speed on the opening lap of the race and landed awkwardly on his right arm, which has a long history of injury. MotoGP medical director Dr. Angel Chart told DAZN, "Marquez is fine, with slight..." Keep reading. The world champion injured himself in the shoulder at the start of the Indonesia Grand Prix after touching the wheel of Marco Bezzecchi's motorcycle. While he was living on a difficult weekend, the Spaniard was caught in an impressive fall with Bezzecchi at the Indonesia Grand Prix. Marc Marquez, already champion of the world, could not finish the Indonesian race by being attacked in the first round by the Italian Marco Bezzecchi, Aprilia RSGP. A bulldozer chases the Catalan in Mandalika, where he has never seen the flag to painting. In the 4 grand prizes contested there, he has withdrawn in 3, and in the first,